Welcome to the world of the semi-automatic popping boba machine. This machine will bring you a unique texture and endless creativity. Equipped with an intelligent control system, this machine ensures that each popping boba has the perfect quality and texture. You can choose from a variety of fruit juice flavors, ranging from classic strawberry and mango to exotic grapefruit and blueberry, satisfying your taste buds. The semi-automatic popping boba machine offers multiple sizes and shapes of molds, allowing you to create personalized popping boba. Whether it's as a garnish for desserts, a decoration for beverages, or a standalone snack, they will add fun and visual appeal to your food. Moreover, this machine features a user-friendly cleaning function, making it easy to clean and maintain hygiene. Its compact design also allows for convenient portability, so you can enjoy popping boba anytime, anywhere. Are you ready to experience the creativity and deliciousness brought by the semi-automatic popping boba machine? Bring it home now, unleash your creativity, and create unique popping boba. Begin your culinary adventure.